I have a lightweight lithium battery for the Hayabusa. And as always, the link is going to be down below in the description. This is a spacer pad and the actual battery. I like these batteries because they show you voltage and the percentage of the battery just by pressing the button. Really nice feature. Let's do a weight comparison. This old one is really heavy. 9.9. 4.5 kilograms. That's pretty heavy. Okay, lithium battery. 2.4 pounds. 1.1 kilogram. That's a huge weight saving.
It's not just big, it's huge!
If you think about it, all that weight, it's like top heavy, it's really high, it's not like on the bottom. And they give you the spacer to make up for the difference because it's a little bit short. 360 cranking amps. This one is 180. 10.5 amps though. And this one is 6 amp. This has a sticker, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna go like this. That's it. When connecting a battery, do the positive first. And when you disconnect the battery, do the negative first. And the reason is, like right now, the negative is unhooked. So if I was to accidentally touch something, like make it ground, it won't complete the circuit because this is unplugged. Same thing when you disconnect the battery, always do the negative first because if you slip and touch something, it won't arc. Nice, fully charged battery. And the seat, really simple. It has these two hooks, one there and one there. Those just go under these thingies. And then you install the bolt here, and same thing on the other side, which is these guys. And now to adjust the clock, turn on the key. You're gonna press both buttons, and when the time starts flashing, you hit the adjust button. And when your hours are set, you hit select, and then you do the minutes. I'm not gonna do it with a camera because for some reason my adjust button doesn't work good, and I have to like play with it and wiggle it. But that's how you do it. Once again, you press both buttons. When it's flashing, you hit adjust. When you're happy with the hour, select. And then it's gonna go to minutes. Same process. You adjust. When you're happy with the minutes, select. And I also got the lithium battery charger. You're gonna want this if you do have a lithium battery. Like over the winter, you can have this and it'll maintain the battery voltage. Plug it in, hit mode, select lithium. And this is nice. I like this plug because what I do, like on the Kawi here, I have the plug and I just pop it here and it charges the battery over the winter. I can do the same with this one, but I'll see how it goes. So this one, it might not die over the winter. This one, it does. It has a really small battery for some reason and it dies. If I don't use it for like 2-3 months, it goes dead.